Hello, let me introduce myself. I am Niloy. Uh, this is I started this YouTube channel to practice myself programming. I have named this playlist as third daily 30 minutes of coding. Uh, uh, through this journey, I'll be learning Python. I know some. I have an experience in C++ programming language because I have had done some programming contest during my high school, and now I'm currently studying a non-CS subject, so I don't need to learn those uh, type of programming. But for my academic and professional, but for my professional life, I have to learn Python for data analyzing and some other stuff. So I know the basic of programming as I am expert in C++. So I will be learning the okay. This is my code forces profile. I have done some programming many times ago. It was 5 years ago. Okay, I will be learning Python in this series. I know the basic syntax of Python. I have studied these tutorials. I have studied uh, variable, numbers, casting, string, boolean operation, tuples, dictionaries, if else, loop, while loop, for loop, functions. I learned till functions. Uh, uh, I do. I skipped this because uh, I will be learning these things when I need. So I know the basics of Python. Now I have to practice the basics to improve my ability or understanding in Python. So I will be solving problems uh, in online, just like code forces. I have solved many problems in code forces before. As you can see my profile, I have solved 243 problems. I used to solve the problems in 2020, and it is currently 2025, long time ago. Okay, so I will be solving problem. I also have have solved problems in tough temas code chef. Okay, let's log in. uh, my handle was password. Acha. Okay. uh, okay, let's try if it's login or not. Okay, I need to remember. Okay, let's skip it. Currently I will be solving problems in code forces. Then when I can remember my tough handle, I will go there, because their problems are all sorted in different categories, like searching algorithms, brute force problem, uh, and other stuff. So these are the problems. I will be sorting them as their rating. Okay, this is high rating. I need ascending order low to yeah. I have solved these problems fast, I think. Watermelon. The technique needs to solve this problem. Okay, I see. Uh, Brute force and math. Okay, I have submitted this. on August 2021, and it was accepted. uh, okay, let's see my code. I have used C++. Okay, it is this is the solution. uh, okay, let's solve it. For I will be writing. I have write I have written the code in C++, as you can see. You can see this in here. So now I will try to solve the problem in Python. Okay, now now let's read the problem. Uh, okay. Okay. It says that there is a watermelon, and I had to I had to cut the watermelon into two parts, as the weight of the two part of the watermelon should be an even number. Okay, okay, to two part and even number. Okay, so I need to input integer and yeah, and output yes or no. Okay, let's write the code in Python. First thing first, I don't know how to uh, take an input in Python, so let's learn it from searching on the internet. So I'll search how to input an integer in Python. Okay, okay, okay. I need to use input function, and then I need to convert it into integer by this function. Okay, let's declare a variable and take input. Okay, and I need to turn this variable into integer. Okay, okay, and now I have to print the answer by else condition. Okay, now guess the solution. It says that they're giving okay, here the problem here. I have to cut the watermelon into two pieces, so that every part of the watermelon's weight should be even number. Okay, I can do this if the weight of the watermelon is in an even number, like 4, 6. If the weight of the watermelon in odd number like 5, I cannot divide it into two parts, such that every two parts are an even number. Okay, like here it is given that 2 and 8, sorry, 8, and I can, if the weight of the watermelon is 8 kg, I can easily divide into two parts, as their weight is like 4 kg and 4 kg towards even number, and so on, or 6 kg or 2 kg. But here is a problem: if the weight, okay, so if the number is even, I can divide it into two parts, as their every part is even, or if the number is odd, I can. So if the number is even, it will print yes, and the number is odd, it will print no. But here is a case. There is a case like if the weight of the watermelon is 2 kg, that is an even number. So if we write the program, okay, let's write the program, then I will understand you. So I could understand. I could uh, express that in easy. Okay, and if n n is an even number, we can get an even number like this. So print yes, print yes. Okay, and every other case it will print no. Okay, let's save and run the program. We can also use shortcut called Control Alt and N. Okay, we need to keep a even number like 10. So, uh, like something problematic is happened. Uh, let's close and open it. Okay, how to run programs in terminal of VS Code. Okay, open folder, view terminal from your menu bar. Then uh, okay, running in output. We need to run the program on terminal, because here we can give input, but we can't give here input, so the problem is arised here. We'll be solving that, but for now we will be comment out this line of code, and we will be manually give the input. Okay, now if I run the code, okay, run the code, yes, it is giving yes. Now we can divide 10 into two groups, such that like 8 and 2 or 6 and 4, something like that. But if we give 2 as an input and we get yes, but if you but but there's a problem, and the problem is, there's a problem. I will be explaining that. if we concentrate on 2 for that you can only divide 2 into two parts like 1 and 1, but they are not any even number, they are odd numbers, so we cannot do this for 1. If it is 1, so if it is 2 input, if the weight of watermelon is 2, you cannot divide it into two parts as every part is even number. So 2 is not the answer, and and we can easily solve it this by adding a new if condition, and not equals to, and n is not equals to, okay, not equals to 2, and this is giving an answer. And if you run that, I think it should. Okay, okay, sorry, we have not saying this, no. So the answer is ready, and we can delete that and remove the things. mm, we can do it. Okay, okay, acha. We can do it like this. It will be first input, getting an input, and then turn that into integer and save it in n. Then these things happen, and run the end the system. Okay. So let me see where I've saved the codes here. Here codes and end of file. Okay. Now I have to submit this. Um, it is Python. Okay. That is version. Um, code. Okay. Yeah. Well, submit. Running on test one, and the code is accepted. Okay. I have solved last question on May 2024, and I have solved it in Kotlin. Okay, not that much. And let's solve another problems. Currently, I'm solving these problems to practice Python and improve the basics and or the core functions of Python. I'll be solving for 30 minutes. Then, okay, as you can see, I have solved these problems before, but I'm also solving this again because I'm just improving my Python skill, Python core skill. I'm not interested in solving my problem solving skill, such as programming problem solving skill. I'm just trying to improve my Python basics. After I improve my Python basics, I will be I'll be learning I'll be learning other stuffs on Python like NumPy or Pandas, or for reveal myself. I'm learning GIS or Geographic Information System, and the library I needed to explore GIS. I will be learning that after I complete my basics. After I improve or make strong my basic in Python. Okay, let's dive into the second problem. Here says around like that. Acha. One text is okay. Okay, okay, that is very much easy. I can solve this. Okay, I need an integer, which is the case number, while n greater than 0, n, okay. I will input a text. It will be an string. So, and I need to print the first letter and last letter of the integer. I need to print the first letter and the last letter of the string, and the size without the first letter or last letter, and the size minus 2. Okay, I'll be printing first, then I will be printing the number of and or size text dot size. Okay, I need to learn how to. Okay, I'll start. Okay, sorry, size of using Python. Okay, determine the len function. Sorry, len len of the text minus 2, and I'll be printing len of the text minus on the last item. Okay, let's just okay, just comment out these codes, and I'll be just focusing in here. I'll input also comment out this, and let's give it text equals to my name, self, and run. The acha, okay. Uh, um, if I input this, it will be P43S. The output should be. Let's see what is happened. Hmm, and P43. Okay, all are good. Okay, just comment out these things. Okay, just submit the problem. I think it should be done. Oh, earlier I have accepted it in one sense. Okay, let's see my previous code. I have submitted it on 2020. Okay, it has given wrong answer. Let's see what's the wrong answer. It was my code then. I have have written in on only just see. I have submitted this problem on September of 2020, long ago. Okay, what localization? ठीक है. Okay, it should be W2D. It have given the word. Okay. Let's see where's the problem. Not. Look for in range 0 and I think custom test. Here's the input. I think this should be right now. Okay. So Q compilation error. What's the problem, man? Compilation open form. It is expecting. Okay. Oh, sorry, man. There should be an colon. Okay, I'm sure 100% it is accepted this time. Okay. Oh, again. Mm, oh man. Uh, okay, it is enough for today. Uh, I just my it is irritating my okay. It is like accepted wrong as a custom. Oh man, what is the problem? Okay. Okay. I think I have missed something. Something. Okay. More than 10 character. Oh, I have missed this. If the size of this more than 10, okay, I will return the answer. If length of txt is greater less than or equal to 10, then I print the text and continue. Okay, I think this time it should work. Oh, accepted, man. Sorry, it's on my fault. I have missed. Oh, I I have missed. I have missed the uh, problem is statement of some part of the statement. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, and my goal was to code every day for 30 minutes. Okay, it's enough for today. We'll be solving more problems on next videos and practicing Python. After we learn all the basics of Python, we will be uh, move to something like for what the what it called what the uh, uh, we'll be moving on what the we'll be moving on what the library we should learn for our GIS. We'll be learning that and practicing more and more. It's enough for today. Okay, my English is not good. Don't mind. I am trying to improve my English. So it is enough for today. We will be meeting on the next video. Thank you for watching.